Larry, that is a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Well, today's my 73rd birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, I want to jump out of this airplane.
Ooh, we're scratching off a bucket list item for you today, huh?
Well, it is.
This is your first jump?
First jump ever.
Okay, you excited?
Oh, I've been ready for 73 years.
All right, we're scratching it off today, man. Are you nervous?
No, not really.
Okay,
No,
it's just
I feel
me,
like
huh?
You guys have done this so many times, we're just going to go up there and have fun.
We are, I assure you. We're gonna go get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 140 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words for any friends and family who might watch this video?
Last words? No. These aren't my last words.
Good, you're not gonna need them, that's right. We're coming back. Let's go have some fun. Yako, you ready?
Here we go.
Let's go get it, guys. Ow. You ready, Larry?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, buddy, strike me a pose. Yeah, all right, guys, let's go have some fun.
Waited a long time for this, and I'm so thankful.
Pull that right one down.
Pull it down.
Go to the camera.
Hey, baby.
Oh yeah. Hands up. Pull the left one down. All the way down. I'm not helping you now. All the way down. Yep. Yeah. That's nice and high. Just relax. Sweet.
Larry, you just went skydiving, man. How do you feel?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in, huh? Did you like it?
Oh, I just love that fall.
It's amazing, huh?
Start circling around.
Yeah, this guy makes it for a fun ride for sure.
He made it real easy. You know, I thought I had to put my feet out.
No, you did great.
They went out pretty well.
You got right out, man. Would you do it again?
Oh, I think so.
Careful, that's how we get you. Thanks for jumping with us, Skydive Colorado Springs, Larry. Woo! Get in there with him.